Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make soy sauce and butter spinach. It's very easy and you can make it in no time, but it's delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this soy sauce and butter spinach, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Spinach, it's about 200 grams, 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Very simple. Let's cut the spinach. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to cut it, so it's even easier. Cut the bottom off. And just cut it into 1 inch or so, all the way to the leaves. I'm heating up the frying pan over medium-high heat. Let's put butter. And stalks of the spinach. When it's wilted, leafy part of the spinach. All wilted. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a quick mix. And it's done. Serve in the plate. Some black pepper if you like. And soy sauce and butter spinach is ready to go. So quick and easy. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. I said it's for 4 servings, but I can have it all. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Soy sauce and butter spinach is the side dish, so it goes here. For the other side dish, let's have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. You can have anything you like for the main dish, but how about salmon fries with Japanese tartar sauce? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!